Okay, good day guys. Welcome back to this channel. So let's see what we'll be expecting on GBP JPY for the next day. So guys, if you're interested in trading GBP pairs, make sure you actually follow the free signal that is currently going on for this week, right? You will find the link to the signal group in the comment section. By the way, the signal group is totally free. It is free, so you can just join there and take a trade, especially if you take trade like GBP, trade like GBP, USD and so go to the comment section, click on the link, and you join the trade for this week and possibly for next month also. So let's see what we'll be expecting on GBPJPY. Let's go to our daily time frame. We clearly can see that this our daily time frame current movement is clearly on an uptrend move right here. We clearly can see that we are having a series of higher high and an higher low right here. So we will alight this level here, and we will have to go down to our 4-hour time frame. As you can see that within this 4-hour time frame there is market ranging, right? So market came to this our resistance level, then we had it drop to this our support level. Market again came to our resistance level, then it dropped to our support level. Market eventually came to this our resistance level, and since we had a drop to our support level, market was about to come to this our resistance level, then came to retest it. So our next movement is another bullish move. So basically, whatever you want to be doing on GBPJPY, you would want to be buying. So you want to be seeing a movement to a level of 200, right? We are currently trading at 198, so we should be expecting GBPJPY to get to a level of 199. Once it taps get to a level of 199, we should break above it and get to a level of 200, which is our resistance level, by the way. So more updates will be covered in the Telegram. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section.